I am giving this a 5-star review, because truly Holy Stone has stepped up their game with this drone. First, opening the package was truly surprising. The drone comes in a semi-rigid case that will protect the drone from light contact. The case had the Holy Stone insignia on the case that is pretty cool. You get the folded-up drone, 2 batteries, extra propellers, and the controller along with the battery charging station. Second, when finally getting a chance to fly the drone, the ease of the flight was nothing short of amazing. Great control of the drone, very easy Wi-Fi connection to the drone. The only thing I did not like was the calibration sequence of the drone. I do wish there was an easier process to calibrate the drone. The turning a total of 6 times is kind of cumbersome. Third, you do in fact get a true 23-minute flight time on one battery. Now that varies depending on flight speed and taking pictures or videos. I did do a flight to where I took a continuous video, and I still managed to get a 19-minute light time, which is still excellent. One flight, I took several pictures, and got a 20-minute flight time doing that. Still impressive. As far as the batteries go, I love the 23 minutes of flight time per battery, but I hate the 5-hour charge time per battery that it takes to charge. The charging station that you get with the drone gives you the impression that you can charge both batteries at the same time, but that is not the case. It still only charges one at a time and it takes 5 hours per battery to charge. Fourth, the pictures and the video with the 4K camera are nothing else. I do not know how Holy Stone is able to produce a drone of this quality and still manage to put a 4K camera on it for the price that they sell it for. Fifth, distance and height are pretty close to common on these types of drones. Never once during any flight did I lose contact with the drone. All features that the drone has worked flawlessly. The come back to base feature is a great protective feature to have, and have used it a couple of times with this drone just to test the feature out. It worked to perfection. The follow me mode is a feature that I was most excited about to capture some of my side-by-side footage while riding. That feature is a must-have for me. It did take me some time to figure it out and get it working that way I wanted it to, but it worked very well. I like that fact that all features of this drone can be accessed by the app or controller. I can't say enough on how I am impressed with the Holy Stone HS720E. I would compare this drone to the more expensive brands made by DJI without a doubt. That is how impressed I am with this drone.